Alright, so it's a beautiful day out here on the 5th green at Seaside. Two of my favorite students, the Craig sisters, and so they're playing worst ball. I picked a score, so since Catie just made that, now Caroline has to make this, because in worst ball, both balls have to go in the hole. They won the first match playing just a scramble, and I picked the score and they beat me. So now we're out here, but get out when you got conditions like this, play with a buddy, make it fun, make it into a game, and if you can make pars in worst ball, it's really, really good. So that was good for them, not good for Mo.